This is the Beyond RAW Chemistry Labs Creatine HC1. So this is 2 milligrams per serving, and it has 120 servings. Back here, it has all their information. And then here is the supplement facts and the ingredients. So there are no other ingredients, and it is gluten-free right there. And all it has is 2 grams of creatine. So the scoop that you actually need is very tiny. Looks like he has 2 scoopers in there because I think one had gotten stuck at the bottom. So he grabbed the one from his old creatine to scoop it and then just left it in there. So clearly he needs some more, but he does take this every day. He had me try it before. Just know what you're getting into. It is very, very bitter, and he still has not gotten used to it. That's the case with any creatine you're going to take. This is his go-to brand because of the quality. He's gone and switched to other ones, but noticed that the quality for this one is the best. So he always goes back to this one. I still think the taste is absolutely terrible, but he loves it. So there you are, what it looks like, what the scoop looks like. There's your creatine by Beyond RAW.